My friend is here. But she doesn't want people to see her face. So I'm not going to show her face. Don't worry, I'm not showing your face. I'm going to show your leg. So that they will know that somebody is here, like a real human being. It doesn't look like I'm just saying it, you know. But she's actually here. And I'm so excited. Enter my video now, big. Small. This box is too small. We cannot deal with this box. It's too small. Mary, where's your big box? You'd have said you'd have do 1 week. You'd have done 1 week. Okay. So this is the fruit. Yes, Mary's here. Oh shit.